Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Emery here, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules Emery family. As you can see my bare face, and I'm sure you can see by the title, for today's video we'll be going in with the new Bperfect Chrome Cover Medium Coverage Soft Filter Luminous Foundation, and this is it right here. I will be reviewing this for you guys today and hopefully get a few hours in with a wear test. This foundation right here is priced at £21.95. I did pick it up for £17 or £16 I believe on TikTok shop, so you can definitely purchase it there if you're in the UK. If you're from the US, you can definitely pick this up from their main site. Now the shade that I did pick up is W11. I do have a video of, I will insert a little clip right here of me reviewing the matte version of this foundation. The shade that I did pick up in this foundation is a W11, and let's swatch the W11 in the matte version to see if it correlates across the border. So this is what the matte bottle looks like, and this is the luminous version bottle. That's them close up. I will swatch W11 and W11 right here for you. I also picked up W8, which was a bit too light, but I sometimes mix W11 with W8 to get my perfect winter color. But in the summer, this is my perfect shade. Okay, swatching, 101 pumps before this comes out. So that is the color right there. This is W11 once again, and this looks very promising. Let me swatch this one, and that's them side by side. So this is the luminous one, and this is the matte version. Wait, I swatched the wrong shade. One sec. Swatching the matte version on this side. Okay, so the matte one does look a bit darker. And this is W11, and this is W11 in the luminous one, and this one is N8. So W11 in the luminous, and N8 in the matte version. So I'm gonna go in with my usual skincare preparation, which is my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream first to moisturize my skin as always. Then I'm gonna take my Glowish primer from Huda Beauty. I've been loving this. This is like a filter in a bottle when it comes to covering up your pores. I quickly did my eyes off camera, but I'm gonna jump in with the foundation now that everything is marinated into my skin. I'm just gonna apply this the same way how I'd apply any of my other foundations. And by the way, it does claim to have medium coverage, soft filter, and a luminous finish. So far the shade match does not look bad at all, but I'm just gonna use this brush is my Zoeva 111 face brush. I'm just gonna pat this onto my skin. So far the coverage is looking good. And it's covering up my problematic areas quite nicely actually. Better than I anticipated. Just look at that compared to this side. I'm just patting this foundation. When I pat, I get better coverage as opposed to swiping. And because I'm going out, I would love the most coverage or the best coverage possible. This foundation shade is quite dark for me, and I think I would be altering the foundation if I use the lighter version to lighten it, because it's a different formula. But as you guys can see so far, that this does have an amazing coverage to it. So I'm gonna lighten it up with my concealer, but I'm loving the coverage so far. For concealer of choice today, I'm gonna go in with my Chem Beauty concealer in Bonafi, if that's how it's pronounced. And this one is to brighten. I'm gonna use a different shade which is much closer to my complexion. So I'm gonna go in with the color Ginger Snap from Chem Beauty. And this one is broken, by the way, unfortunately. For cream bronzer, I'm gonna take my Rare Beauty in the shade, I don't remember because it's wiped off. Yeah, the shade is gone, so I don't remember. But this is, oh, sugar, it's mixing. This is what happens when you're rushing. But this is a beautiful cream bronzer. I'm gonna take my Made by Mitchell brush to just blend out my cream bronzer before I blend out my concealer. Now I'm gonna use my sponge to just blend out this concealer in a patting. Oh. Going back with my foundation brush to just make sure the edges are evenly blended out. To set my face, I'm gonna go in with my One Size Beauty setting powder, and this is the translucent one, my all-time favorite powder so far. My HMB puffer, or whatever you call it, and just pat out and just apply this powder. I'm just patting this till all the powder is melted on the skin. I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder all over the face in shade number 3. I'm just going to use this to set the rest of my face before going with bronzer. Just give it an even canvas to go on. For bronzer of choice, I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn bronzer, and this one is in the shade Bare Babe, and it smells so nice. It smells like coffee. I really love this one. And this one is so creamy on the skin to apply. It's powder, but it just melts into the skin. Just taking a brush to do this part. taking my One Size Beauty blush. I'm just going to use the orange blush. And this is a very pigmented blush, so be very much careful. I would highly suggest if you purchase this to build it up. It is full coverage. I haven't quite used the cream as yet, but the powder on its own is pretty pigmented. Taking the P. Louise highlighter in Rich Bitch. I'm just gonna apply this like so. So blinding and so buttery. I'm going to take my P. Louise setting spray, which is the Set in Stone Your Intentions setting spray, and I'm just going to spray this all over my face. This mist does remind me of the Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray, the way it distributes the product. That's me just drenching my face. My whole top is even wet at this point using this spray. And my hair. Lord have mercy. Yeah, my hair is wet. Oh well. Oh, such is life. Alright, let me put my lipstick on and I'll be right back with the finishing look. This is it. This is how the face is looking up close and personal. I am really in love with this foundation. I'm actually quite surprised at how much I prefer the Luminous than the matte. I love both of them, don't get me wrong, but I'm surprised how much I love this one. Y'all go pick up this foundation. It's medium coverage. They have a nice shade range. Insert in picture here. So why not just try and cop this foundation? Very much worth the money. Hey guys, so this is my face at approximately 201. And it's not looking bad. The foundation held up pretty well. Hey guys, we've now reached the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please do comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this foundation. Like, what do you guys think about how this foundation wears on my skin? I'm loving it. I give this foundation a solid 10 out of 10 because I'm very surprised at how much coverage I get out of this. If you did go and watch the other video of me trying this version, you'll know this foundation is full coverage. I will do a YouTube shorts. Do not quote me when I'm gonna drop that, but I'll definitely be dropping a side-by-side comparison between the two, so you guys will be able to see how they look side by side. Do comment down below if you guys are interested in seeing that. Until next time, bye.